everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete profile picture in Pinterest. Now to do this, you need to open the Pinterest application. Once you're at the Pinterest homepage, you need to tap open the profile icon. Tap that. There on this page of your profile, you need to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line on the top right. Tap that, and there you need to tap on setting. On the setting page, you need to tap on public profile on the very top. Tap that. It will direct you to this page where you will be able to delete the profile picture on Pinterest. Tap on edit just below the profile picture. Tap that. Then you will have the option of update profile picture. You tap on it. So here you will need to add a new profile picture to delete the previous one. You cannot remove the profile picture option on Pinterest. You will have to update or upload a new one before you delete the previous one. So here you can just upload another picture to delete the previous one, or you can click on the camera icon. Allow Pinterest to take pictures and photos. Allow. Tap on the camera icon. It will direct you to the camera section where you can just click a blank picture, click that, and then tap on save, and that picture will be saved as your profile picture for Pinterest without the need to upload a different profile picture. So this is how you can delete profile picture on Pinterest. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.